a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Julia Hair. Shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their Julia Hair Julia HD Lace Wig, 5x5 inches lace closure, curly wave hair wig, 180% hair density, pre-plucked invisible hairline. Like, child, that was a mouthful for you. Okay, so they have on here Type Brazilian hair wig. The wig type is a lace closure wig. The texture is curly hair, human hair wig. The length is the wig length is 16 to 28 inches. That's what they have available. It does say that the hair is on a natural color. It's 100% human hair. And it's an average cap size. The lace material is HD lace. The density is 180. It says slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked natural hairline, glueless baby hair around. So just around the closure. So I want you guys to be mindful that this wig is a 5x5 closure wig. And with that meaning, I always tell you guys, now wear my closures here lately, that is baby hair to baby hair. So you have this amount of space to basically do what you want. If you want to wear it in a half up, half down style, which is what I was initially gonna do, and I opted out of it just like at the last minute. I was like, I don't want to do that. But you can wear it half up, half down. You can wear it in the middle part. You can wear it, I got it on the right side part now, but you can also wear a left side part. I don't have a preference with my parts. I just do what I want to do. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, It had a little bit of tangling, but it was nothing to write home about, honey. I wasn't mad at it whatsoever, okay? Like, if it's not super crazy, then I don't really have an issue as far as tangling go. Like, I look in focus here, but on this, I don't. And my monitor and my cord messed up, so y'all just bear with me. Let me scoot up a little bit. I don't know, y'all. I'm just hoping and praying y'all can see me, okay? So anyways, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, in my opinion, it wasn't super tangly, especially with a curly unit this long. I'm not sure what length they sent me. I'm going to speculate and say it's between 24 and 26 inches. It's relatively long on me. I am 5'4". And I will be doing a length check so you guys can see like where it stops at on me. But it wasn't really tangly whatsoever, and it did not shed, maybe like literally hardly any, which is always a plus in my book, honey. I don't know about your book, but it's a plus in my book, especially when it comes to curly units. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is a big head friendly. I feel like it fits. I am an average cap size, and I did adjust the straps, and I feel like it fits me really well. So if I have to adjust the straps, then to me, I deem a unit to be big head friendly. If I don't have to adjust the straps, then I deem it to be small to medium head friendly, honey. So do with that what you want to do with it, girl. Okay, do with that what you want to do with it. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Y'all, I have been having a day, okay? I've been having a day. Today was the kids' first day of school, and I know you guys probably don't care about this. I am starting a vlogging channel so you can get all the tea and stuff that is going on behind the scenes with me, but I'm having a day, okay? It was just a struggle filming day, so bear with me if my attitude seems to be a little down, honey, okay? But anyways, y'all, I really love this unit. You guys know I love a good curly unit. Like, I just feel like you can't go wrong with them. I love to wear them in the winter. I love to wear them in the summer, honey. I just love to wear them. It's just something about some big hair, honey. I just love it. I really, really do like this wig, and I hope you guys can see how nice this unit is, because I'm not sure if my camera is focusing or not, okay? So I'm just gonna do that so you can just see, honey. Get into them curls. Like, I love this unit, and they said curly waves, so I guess it's a mixture of both, but I think this unit is perfection, honey. Like, they did that. So I am really, really loving this unit. I honestly have no issues with it whatsoever, and I would definitely recommend it. I'm gonna go ahead now and just give you guys a full 360 and a length check. As far as products that I used on it, I literally only used water and my Cantu curling mousse on the hair. That's it. That's all, honey. Oh, and my argan mousse up at the top. That's it. Nothing else. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Do you love it as much as I do? I am curious to know. Comment down below. Once again, shout out to you, Julia Hair, for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthToMissy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.